Bread. It's the oldest, most fundamental food in human history. But today, we are not just making bread. We are crafting a rustic masterpiece. Listen closely. That crackle is the sound of pure magic. It all starts with 4 humble ingredients: flour, salt, water, and time. Watch as the hydration transforms this dry powder into a living, breathing entity. Time is our most crucial ingredient. Through a process of gentle stretching and folding, we build the gluten network. This is where the dough develops its complex flavor and traps the air. Shaping creates tension. We score it to guide the expansion and drop it into a screaming hot Dutch oven at 450 degrees. The golden rule of bread: you must let it cool. But once it's ready, the reward is unmatched. A generous spread of cultured butter and a pinch of sea salt. Welcome to the art of bread.